elephant walks with pride by the riverside. Oh, elephant, elephant, big and grand, swinging your trunk across the land, majestic and wise, with a joyful stride. Oh, elephant, elephant, nature's pride, with tusks like ivory shining bright. Elephant roams in the golden light, gathering with family a loving herd, playing in the mud, not saying a word. Oh, elephant, elephant, big and grand. Oh, elephant, elephant, big and grand. Oh, Ella, starry skies, they trumpet, call elephant songs, echoing tall, protecting their young with care and might. In the wilds of Africa, a magnificent sight. Oh, elephant, elephant, big and grand, swinging your trunk across the land, majestic and wise, with a joyful stride. Oh, elephant, elephant, nature's pride. Oh, elephant, elephant, nature's pride. So come along, kids, let's sing with glee. Elephant song full of harmony. In the jungle's embrace we'll dance and play. Oh, elephant, elephant, lead the way.
In the jungle where the tall trees sway, lives a gentle giant, come and hear me say. With a trunk so strong and ears so wide, elephant walks with pride by the riverside. Oh, elephant, elephant, big and grand, swinging your trunk across the land, majestic and wise, with a joyful stride. Oh, elephant, elephant, nature's pride, with tusks like ivory shining bright. Elephant roams in the golden light, gathering with family a loving herd, playing in the mud, not saying a word. Oh, elephant, elephant, big and grand, swinging your trunk across the land, majestic and wise, with a joyful stride. Oh, elephant, elephant, nature's pride. Under starry skies they trumpet and call, elephant songs echoing tall, protecting their young with care and might. In the wilds of Africa, a magnificent starry skies they trumpet and call, elephant songs echoing tall, protecting their young with care and might. Of Africa, a magnificent sight. Oh, elephant, elephant,